Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning to watch today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I dry my fish here in diaspora. How we dry fish. The problem here is that we don't get a dry fresh fish direct from home all the time. So I have had this experience lately that I always find it difficult to get beautiful dry fish. So I decided to be making mine. I have featured this salmon dry fish in lots of my video, and a lot of you liked it, and it's a requested video. A subscriber asked me to show you how I dry the fish. So I went to the market today. I got only 3 head, and these head are very small. They are not bigger compared to the ones I used to buy, but I bought them. What I do is now I use lemon to wash them. You know, salmon fish can be slimy, but with lemon all the slime will just disappear. So I'll go ahead and wash them very clean, or rub them with the lemon, and when they are very clean I will just show you how they're looking. And now the slimes are gone. It's just easy. Use the lemon and rub them thoroughly, every corner and every in and out of the fish, and you have them looking like this. There is no more slime, everything is gone. So I'll go ahead and rinse the remaining one of them. I forgot to show you also the middle bone of the fish. It depends what you want to use this salmons to do. I always like them to cut it in different parts or different form, because you won't be using all of them to do the same thing. When you get a big salmon, you definitely want to have fillet, you want to have the round part, you want to have the block form. So after cutting it, the bone that are inside will be just like this. So you want to make use of that bone, so don't throw it away please. This is also authentic to your cookings. So I just wash them now. I clean them with lemon too. I will set it aside and clean the sink very well, because when you're dealing with fish, meat or whatever, after everything, make sure you use vinegar or lemon to clean your sink with soap very well. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Remove some residue that are blocking it there, throw them away, and use a lemon to clean everywhere. I'll come back when I'm done cleaning them. Now I'm done cleaning them, and this is the fish. They're looking so nice. I'll go ahead and run water on them again. So for this middle bone, you can cut them, or you can grill them like that, but I'm going to cut mine because I like cutting them into smaller parts, not grilling them all together. So I'll be using scissors to cut them to the desired size I will be needing. You can actually use knife, but I find scissors very easy. And here I use a oven paper to place on your oven tray. This is very important. Don't throw it on top of the tray, and put this at the surface up. I always like it to grill first, because if I drop the face at the ground, by the time it's grill, if I'm taking it up, it will be removing the scale. So I don't like that. This fish, as I said, is a small head. That's why I didn't cut it in a in a form that the one I used to cook earlier looks. So I'll just cut them into 2 like this. I'll go ahead and put the inside bone in a separate baking tray. You have to give it space, because if you don't, they won't be able to grill well. After placing them, I'll put them in the oven. I bake for 250 at first. Then after 1 hour, I started baking at 200 or 180. You want to bake this for 2 hours. Patience is needed as well. And this is how they came out looking. Oh my goodness, what do you call this? Fresh as okpo. My whole kitchen everywhere. Oh my goodness, it was booming with this fish. Oh, look at it, they are done. And this is how I like grilling my own. If you grill it more than this, it will be testing bone. So these are there. They are looking very nice. You see, using this thing to cook soup, you know what I mean. So the bowl that I have here, if you're in Nigeria, tell me how much you can get this basket of fish, because I just use little money to buy this fish and turn it into a dry fish, and they're looking so nice. It will last me for at least, I don't know, it lasts me long anytime I grill it, and I don't stop grilling it. I grill it as much that I can. So this bowl of fish, how much does it cost in Nigeria now? Let me know if you're watching from home. All right, I'll just go ahead and package them in a nylon and set them in the freezer. Anytime I want to cook, I will take any amount that I need. So this is it. The fish is ready. Just package it in a Ziploc bag, whichever nylon you have. It's okay. I'll package them and set them in the freezer, and it is good for another cookings. So that is how I grill my salmon fish. I don't buy dry fish again, except my mom buy for me. Yeah, but going to African shop to buy dry fish, most of them I've had bad experience with them. Or you buy from people that are coming from home if you cannot do this. But if you can, it is the very best way. You grill it yourself. You are very comfortable with what you are eating because you made it yourself. So here they are, looking very nice.